Look at all those parts on the ground. They are for a vehicle. Let's see if we can put them together, shall we? There's the chassis. And there are 4 wheels. The rear bumper. The front radiator. The driver's seat. And the steering wheel. Ah, there's the cab. What is that? Oh yes, it's the truck bed. Now, what have we constructed? Yes, a dump truck. Oh, the engine is starting now, so off we go. Let's stop our truck and load 3 blocks into it. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to start the truck's engine and drive away again. Three, 2, 1. Now it's your turn to count. 3, 2, 1. Well done! And here is the truck that brought the blocks to the playground. Wow! And what are these? Some wheels. An engine. A towing hook. A steering wheel. A seat for the driver. Beautiful red mud guards to stop mud splashing off the tyres. A grey seat frame for the driver. And what is that? It's a big blade for pushing things. We have made a bulldozer. Look, the bulldozer is pushing the blocks. And what's that? It's a number 4 block. 4. Ah, now all the numbers are in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's your turn to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done! Now you can count up to 4.